Yes.
Zubia. Zubia,
Okay.
speech.
Banu, can you please pass it to Ellen, the paper?
Good evening, everybody. Congratulations, Zubia, completing the project level 2. Okay. So here's something which I learned from a speaker when I met in India. He always said that whenever you're delivering a speech, give the audience, don't take anything from them. That's the most important part which every speaker should know. And currently today, what Zubia did was she provided us with the immense knowledge about the Pakistan politics, the leaders, their style of leadership, and their way of managing the whole economy. So basically, if I talk about the speech, she started with a question. So that's the best part, because if I'm standing here and if I want to talk about cartoons, I'll start up with a simple question that in what year do you think the cartoons were introduced? Or with a rhetorical question. So that itself connects the audience with the speaker, because that moment they start imagining what could be the answer of that question. The second thing was that her presentation skills were perfect. There were a lot of emotions and a lot of facial expressions which she kept on making. For example, when she was talking about the president, her expressions were changing from here to there. There was an energy, and that really brings up the performance of the speaker, as well as the connection or the bond which he creates with the audience. So that's one more thing. But most importantly was the eye connection which she kept on making. What I believe is that when you are keeping an eye connection with everyone in the audience, then you are looking into them. So if I'm talking to Zubia and if I'm evaluating her, so I'm looking into her and she could understand what I'm trying to say. So that eye contact with everybody was great. And since I'm an Indian and I'm a fan of that dialogue which she said, so that yet again brings a positive point. So there's this one thing which you could improve, which is your vocal variety. Change your vocal variety, because if you're talking in a low pitch about her achievements, you could talk it in a low pitch and then increase your volume and then talk about her more. About probably the way how she was assassinated or the willpower she had when she was sitting in a conference. So that vocal variety also brings up more people. Most importantly, it awakes the audience. And the timing. You really need to take care of the timing, because timing could be a best friend plus it could be your enemy as well. You need to see the timing, that if you are giving an informative speech, which this was, information about the leadership skills and everything, you should see the timing. If you're speaking about the president of Pakistan, you should keep it around 2 to 3 minutes of that and keep on changing it with time. And most importantly, the movements. Keep on walking, use the floor, interact with people over here, interact with people over here. That's all I would like to say. Best of luck and great speech. Thank you.
Thank you.